Ad-du'a silahul mu'min. Prophet ﷺ said the dua is the silahul mu'min. It's the weapon of the believer. I mean, this hadith that the usuli scholars say, asl al-kalam al-haqiqa, that the foundation of speech is literal, that you should take things literal before you move to any figurative interpretation. So if the Prophet said, ad-du'a silahul mu'min, that's exactly what he meant. The dua is the weapon of the believer. Not the sword, not the spear, not the tank, those are material weapons. But the real weapon of the believer, as-silah, the real silahul mu'min, is his connection or her connection with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And if you have that connection, the Prophet ﷺ's dua was also وَمِنَ الْيَقِينِ مَا تُهَوِّنْ بِهِ عَلَيْنَا مَصَائِبَ الدُّنْيَا. Give us the yaqeen that makes all of the tribulations of this world insignificant. وَمِنَ الْيَقِينِ مَا تُهَوِّنُ بِهِ عَلَيْنَا مَصَائِبَ الدُّنْيا. If you have yaqeen in your heart, if you have certainty, then the calamities of this world are exactly what they are. They're calamities of this world. And anything that happens in this world is hayyan in relation to what happens in the next world. Here our fitan are always limited. They have a beginning, a middle, and an end. In the akhirah, it's not like that. And Ibn Abbas radiallahu anhu said, in every tribulation are 3 blessings. It could have been worse. You lost one hand, you could have lost both hands. You lost one eye, you could have lost both eyes. You broke your back, you could have lost your life. Right? It always could be worse. And then that it's in the dunya. Right? As long as it's in this world, it's easy in relation to the next world, and then it's in worldly matters and not in religious matters. Because the real tribulation is when your deen is tried. People that lose their faith. That's the real tribulation. As long as you have faith, everything is easy. So, think about our brothers and sisters next door, make dua for them.